How does electricity exist? Have you ever turned on a light and wondered, where does electricity come from? When we press a switch, the room becomes bright. When we charge a phone, the battery fills up. When we turn on a fan, it starts spinning. But electricity is not magic. Electricity is a kind of energy. It starts with something very, very tiny called electrons. Electrons are inside everything around us. They are inside metal, water, the ground, and even our bodies. Electricity happens when electrons move. When many electrons move in the same direction, they create an electric current. Electric current is the flow of electricity, but electrons need a path to move through. That path is usually made of metal wires. Metal, like copper, is good at carrying electricity because electrons can move through it easily. Now imagine a flashlight. Inside a flashlight, there is a battery, a wire, a switch, and a small light bulb. The battery stores energy. When we turn on the switch, the path becomes complete. Then electrons flow through the wire and into the bulb. The bulb lights up. That is electricity at work. But what about the electricity in our homes? Electricity is usually made in a place called a power plant. A power plant changes energy into electricity. Some power plants use moving water. Some use wind. Some use sunlight from the sun. Some use heat from fuel. Moving water or wind can spin a big machine called a turbine. The turbine helps a generator make electricity. Solar panels work differently. They catch sunlight and change it into electricity. After electricity is made, it travels through power lines. It moves from power plants through tall towers and cables and then to homes, schools, shops, and buildings. Finally, electricity reaches our plugs and switches. When we turn on a lamp, electricity flows through the wire and the lamp shines. Electricity helps us every day. It helps us see at night. It helps refrigerators keep food cold. It helps phones charge, computers work, and trains move. But electricity can be dangerous. Never put fingers or objects into sockets. Never touch broken wires. Never use electrical devices with wet hands. Always ask an adult for help. So remember, electricity is energy. It happens when tiny electrons move. It can be made from water, wind, sunlight, or heat. Then it travels through wires to reach our homes. Electricity is invisible, but we can see what it does. It lights up our world, powers our tools, and helps many things move. And that is why electricity is so amazing.